And welcome back on this Wednesday. Well, we're not seeing any rainfall over this portion of the Skyway anymore, still dealing with some damp roadways. And really everybody, whether or not you're seeing rain, it is ended in some areas, still going to be dealing with those wet roadways for your morning commute. Here you can see a good portion of the Niagara Frontier already seeing the steady rain exiting to the east. That includes Grand Island, the Falls, the downtown area, portions of Amherst and Clarence up towards Medina. Batavia now also drying out as we head down to the southern tier. You're still seeing the steadiest rainfall there around Jamestown out towards Olean up in Franklinville, and then out on into Allegheny County. This steady rain is going to exit the area, and after that, there's a chance you could be dealing with a couple showers throughout your day today, but we're also going to feature plenty of dry time. So, bus stop forecast for the kids. It's going to be chilly today, colder than yesterday by about 5 degrees, with the chance of showers mainly when they're getting off the bus. I think is when there's a better chance if you're seeing anything at all. Here's a look at the satellite and radar. We're just going to be in this unsettled weather pattern, all due to this area of low pressure through Thursday night. We're talking about a temperature cool down and seeing some wet flakes in the Niagara Frontier and some accumulating snowfall on the highest hilltops. Currently, though, we're at 48 and we are not worried about that snow for our Wednesday. We're at 47 in the Falls, 52 in Dunkirk, 46 for those of you in Jamestown, 50 for those of you in Bradford. Here's your weather for today. As the steady rain comes to an end, I think we'll see some redevelopment, scattered showers on and off today. But again, I want to stress plenty of dry time. We're cooler and we're mostly cloudy, a high around 53. For tonight, scattered showers, especially for those of you south of Buffalo. We're chilly, a low of about 37, southern tier a little bit cooler. Now here I want to walk you through your forecast for Thursday before I give you the exact details of it. So we're starting you out very early Thursday morning, microcast keeping much of the area dry, except for some scattered rain showing up in the southern tier in northern Pennsylvania. Once we get to that 5 o'clock hour, though, the morning commute, notice how south of Buffalo it's bringing in some rain and a little bit of mix in pockets of the southern tier. That mix would mainly be occurring in the highest elevations. As we work our way towards noon, this system begins to meander into the Niagara Frontier. So if you're in the Niagara Frontier tomorrow, expect your rain mainly during the afternoon, potentially some wet flakes. But again, that rain-snow mix continues for those of you south of Buffalo, mainly all snow on the highest hilltops as we get towards the evening and overnight hours on Thursday. Once we get into Thursday night, the Niagara Frontier, you're going to be dealing with rain, potentially some wet flakes mixing in there. We're not worried about accumulation. We dry things out very late Thursday and early Friday. That's going to end our work week on a dry note. So here are all the details of tomorrow, your Thursday forecast. Niagara Frontier expects scattered showers, especially in the afternoon. Some wet flakes potentially mixing in, especially towards the evening hours. South of Buffalo, rain mixing with snow. I think we will see periods of all snow in the highest elevations where 1 to 3 inches of accumulation is possible. A high tomorrow of 45, a southern tier high of 40. For tomorrow night, the Niagara Frontier, you're dealing with steady showers, more steady than you saw during the day, mixing with some snow at times, potentially south of Buffalo. You're dealing with a rain-snow mix, all snow in the highest elevations of the southern tier. We're cold for everybody tomorrow night. A low around 30, a southern tier low of 20. As we look to the next 7 days, Friday again, we dry things out, partly sunny, a high of 46, so still cold. Saturday, a couple showers are possible, maybe some wet flakes in the coldest areas, a high of 48. Sunday, we're mostly cloudy. Halloween on Monday, mostly cloudy, a high of 50, a low of 39. For Tuesday, we're partly sunny with a high of 53. Joe?